Puravive Scam or Real Opportunity? That's what we're going to discover in this short video. It's been a month since I joined Puravive, and we will all see together the results I have achieved. To summarize, Puravive is what allows you to lose 26 pounds. Let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Olivia, and some time ago I was exactly in your situation. I couldn't lose weight. I tried everything to lose my extra pounds. And since I had my child, it was almost impossible for me to lose any pounds, so I stopped believing in my weight loss. I had tried everything, but every time it was a failure. And as soon as I lost a bit of weight, I would gain it back instantly. It was horrible. But one day, I came across an email talking about Puravive. And right at the moment I came across this email, my phone fell to the ground and clicked on the button to join the page you see on the screen. And I don't really believe in coincidences. Why would I, by chance, have clicked on an opportunity like this one? Well, at first, I was a bit skeptical, but I told myself I had nothing to lose. So, I had no more excuses to hesitate. So, I tested it for a month, and here are the results. I have never had results so quick and lasting. In 90 days, I finally lost 26 pounds. But that's not all. My colleagues at work see a completely different person. My energy level is comparable to when I was in my 20s. And I can tell you that my relationship with my husband is not the same anymore. He has found the woman he married in his youth. It's not just pounds that were lost. It's my marriage that was saved. So thank you, Puravive. Now that you have seen the results I achieved with Puravive, if you also want to benefit from it, I have put 2 links in the description. One link to read the article about Puravive, and another one to complement Puravive with delicious meals. And if you're still hesitating, it doesn't change much for me. My life has already changed. If I share this opportunity with you today, it's to help you distinguish the real from the fake. It's so hard to find real programs these days that when I find one, I feel obligated to share it with you. So don't waste any more time and click now on the link in the description. By the way, you should know that I understand how unbearable your situation is. Anyway, you've seen the results I have achieved. You have nothing to lose. So click now on the link in the description to join Puravive. I hope to see you among us. This was Olivia. See you soon on the other side.